Hi friends, it's Alexandria and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, I hope you subscribe and join my little YouTube family. But today's video is going to be a vanity tour. I just thought it'd be really fun to show you where I get ready every day and the products that I enjoy using on a daily basis. Anything that I use to keep things super simple and super organized will be linked down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. But if you're curious to see where I get ready, then let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so this is an overview of what my vanity looks like. So if we start over on this side, this is from Marshall's and I really like it because it's just open, so it's super easy to grab and to put back. So this has primers and face sprays. This has foundations and concealers, and then my beauty sponges on the end. I do have a hand sanitizer here that I try to use every time before I put my makeup on. And then this was a adorable gift for my aunt, and it's just a wedding ring with a picture of when Daniel and I got engaged. So I love looking at that every morning. And then this guy I've had for so long. I actually have two of them, and this just holds my makeup little like Q-tip applicators. So moving on over, this acrylic little lipstick organizer from the Container Store, and then this one is also from Marshall's. So it's just a 4 little compartment container, and on the bottom here it holds eyeshadows. I'm not huge into eyeshadows, so I prefer like these little quads. So I have Sonia Kashuk, Pacifica, Wet n Wild, Urban Decay, and then this second one just holds like face powders. So I have my Airspun, my Revolution baking powder, my banana one, and then Maybelline Fit Me powder. This one up here has bronzers. This one's broken, as you can see, but I do have my backup underneath of my favorite Wet n Wild contouring palette, and then my MAC bronzer. On the top here has highlighters and blushes. So I have Ofra, Wet n Wild, Mary Luminizer, Laura Geller highlighter, MAC, and then the Balm, a Balm blush. This is also from Marshall's, and it just houses all of my brushes. So on this side, I just have any face brushes, and then eyebrow, highlighter, and eye brushes. So I really like this. Super easy to see everything, and it's just pretty to look at. This mirror I've had for probably about 10 years. I recently just had to change the light bulb. It was a little difficult changing the light bulb, but I got it with a little bit of help actually. But I like this mirror because it has the regular side with like a 10-time magnifier on the other side. So that's really great. And then it also has a light, which I never use the light unless it's super ridiculously dark. Like today it's raining and pretty dark outside, but I still get some good light. So being in front of a window is just, it's really awesome that I don't have to use the light. This little guy is the best thing ever. I just randomly thought about it one day, but I enjoy drinking like hot coffee when I'm doing my makeup, and this is a candle warmer, but I use it to keep my coffee nice and warm. Okay, so if we're moving to the top drawer, or the only drawer on this organizer, I just have like random things. So this little bag was from IKEA, and it just holds like makeup that I'm going to be giving away. I have my little brush cleaner here. I really like it because you can suction cup it to the sink and then just clean your brushes. I have some makeup wipes. I am not specific. I can use any makeup wipes. I'm not too picky. This compartment up here just holds like lip liners, sharpeners, and my favorite lip balm. And then this one holds eyebrow products, eyeliners, anything like eye related or eyebrow related. This is my eyelash curler and all of my mascaras, and then lash glue. This little container just has random things. It has a Smashbox like Radiant Photo Finish primer, a little setting spray, a corrector, eyeshadows, just little different things here. I do have my one and only bigger eyeshadow palette here, the Naked palette. And then I have some cotton rolls here because I use my alcohol to clean my eyelash curler every time I do my eyelashes. I clean my eyelash curler. I don't know, I just want it always like super clean. And then I have some extra little sponges here. I have some eyelashes. This is my little, like, what is it? Like, it has my tweezers. Let me try to open it with one hand. It's going to be a little bit difficult. Oh, I think I got it. It has my tweezers, little nail clippers, filers, and little scissors in here. So I think everybody needs one of these. And then this little guy is just an extra little bag with something that I actually need to do a review on. It is the most amazing little product ever. It looks like this. It is a facial hair remover little product. So definitely going to do a review on that. So it just stays in this little bag right here. So super simple and organized. So yeah, I'll be linking anything that I can down below. So moving on to this little organizer, in the top drawer here, I have anything to do with like skincare. So I have my little headband there. Sometimes I put that on if I'm doing my makeup. I have all my oils, my night oils, my eye creams, toners. Anything to do with like moisturizing my face or skincare is going to be in this. I have a face mask in here as well, just all that stuff. In the second one, I have, this is where like my hair products start. I have this one organizer. It has hair ties, the black little rubber bands, and all my bobby pins. In the middle here is any little like headbands or like hair, like the big elastics. I have hair clips here. I'm a big fan of scrunchies. So I have my scrunchies here and then extra little hair clips in the back. And then moving on to the next drawer, I have any type of hair products. And this is actually a lot for me. I was given some of this stuff and I just haven't used it. So I just have this guy. I use that like as a light hold hairspray, my heat protectant, some oils, and then my favorite dry shampoo, which is a Batiste. In the last drawer on the bottom, it's a very big drawer. I just have my hair tools and my hair brushes. So I have like 2 curling irons, a straightener that I actually need to give away, and my curling wand and some brushes. So that's everything that is in the bottom drawer. And then my vanity chair, I actually don't recall where it's from. I think it might have been from like Home Goods or Marshall's, and I've had that for such a long time as well. So that was the overview of my vanity. Like I said, I will definitely be linking everything down below. I just love getting ready here every day. It's super simple, having everything just where I need it. I can do my hair here, get ready here. It's in front of a window. It just makes it so great. So yeah, it's just my little place and I love it. But thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, and until next time, bye.